Have you ever wondered when you're most likely to get pregnant, or when you're least likely? Many people rely on counting days, but did you know that using the wrong dates can lead to unexpected pregnancy or missed chances of conception? In this video, you'll learn how to calculate your fertile period, understand how ovulation works, and discover why this method isn't perfect for everyone. Stay until the end, because I'll also explain common mistakes people make. The fertile period is the time during your menstrual cycle when pregnancy is most likely to occur. Pregnancy happens when a sperm fertilizes an egg after ovulation. The egg survives for only 12 to 24 hours after it is released. However, sperm can survive inside the female reproductive tract for up to 5 days. This means you can become pregnant if you have sex several days before ovulation, as well as on the day of ovulation. Day 1 of your menstrual cycle is the first day of your period, not the day it ends. In a typical 28-day cycle, ovulation usually occurs around day 14. But not every woman has a 28-day cycle. Some have 26-day cycles. Others have 30, 32, or even 35-day cycles. That's why knowing your own cycle length is very important. If your menstrual cycle is 28 days, ovulation is expected around day 14. Your fertile window is approximately day 9 to day 15. This is because sperm can survive for up to 5 days before ovulation, and the egg survives for about 1 day afterward. If your cycle lasts 30 days, ovulation usually occurs around day 16. Your fertile window is approximately day 11 to day 17. A simple way to estimate ovulation is ovulation day equals cycle length minus 14 days. Then count 5 days before ovulation and 1 day after ovulation to estimate your fertile window. Remember, this is only an estimate. The calendar method works best for women with regular menstrual cycles. If your periods are irregular, predicting ovulation becomes much more difficult. Stress, illness, travel, weight changes, breastfeeding, and hormonal disorders can all change the day you ovulate. That means pregnancy can still occur outside the predicted fertile days. Besides counting days, you can improve accuracy by watching for signs of ovulation. These include clear, stretchy cervical mucus that looks like raw egg white, a slight rise in basal body temperature after ovulation, mild pain on one side of the lower abdomen called ovulation pain, positive ovulation predictor kits, which detect the hormone LH. Combining these methods gives a better estimate than counting days alone. If you're trying to avoid pregnancy, remember that the calendar method alone is not highly reliable, because ovulation can vary from month to month. If you're trying to conceive, and you've been trying for over 1 year, or 6 months if you're over 35 years old, it is a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional. Understanding your fertile period can help you make informed decisions about your reproductive health. The key is to know your cycle, understand that every woman is different, and remember that no natural method is 100% accurate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Williams Health Tips, and share this video with someone who may benefit from it. Until next time, stay informed and stay healthy.